Have you ever found yourself squinting your eyes in front of a bright and glaring computer screen? Whether you are a freelancer who works in front of a computer screen for long periods, or a student who does his homework on a laptop, or even your little children who spends a considerable amount of time on their tablets, there's one thing common among us all. We need to protect our eyes from the bright and glaring screens of our gadgets and devices. So today, let me share with you how I keep my eyes protected 365 days for only $9. Hi, my name is Florante and welcome to the Freelance channel. If this is your first time here, I'm a full-time online freelancer and I create how-to video tutorials, app reviews, and a sprinkle of a few videos with my dog Golda, Bruno, and Nala. Now, for anyone who works online or in front of a computer screen for long periods of time, I definitely would encourage that you check out this tool that I'm using to also give your eyes the protection it needs so you can be productive with the work that you're doing. So the tool that I'm referring to is called NightEye. This is a browser extension that turns your bright and glaring websites into dark mode. For $9 per year, you can have access to this one and use it on different browsers. Now, we are going to check on the different details in terms of the pricing as well as what other features are available if you are subscribed to it. But definitely, $9 for 365 days. I think that if you're going to invest $9 for a tool that you can use for the whole year and protects your eyes, I think it's a very good investment. NightEye works with almost any browser, including Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Opera browser, Brave browser, and more. And it works on desktop, laptop, mobile phones, as well as tablets. So how it works is you need to install this to your browser. So for example, if we're going to install this to an Edge browser, first thing that you need to do is to, of course, open your Edge browser. Now, open a tab and go to nighteye.app. And what you'll need to do is to click on Add Extension. Now, this will take you to the Microsoft add-ons page. And what you'll do next is to click on Get. Then, in the pop-up dialog box, just click on Add Extension. Once you have the add-on installed, you can now enjoy dark mode. So currently, NightEye offers a 3-month free trial of the Pro plan, which you can use on up to 3 browsers and unlimited websites. No credit card or email signups required. But once your free trial is over, you can opt to purchase their lifetime plan for only $40, or you can switch to their Pro Max annual plan for $14, or the $9 Pro plan for 1 year. And now that we have installed this on my Edge browser, let me show you an example, a comparison of what difference it makes if you are using dark mode compared to the regular bright and white screen background on your web pages. So what you're seeing on my screen right now is the 2 versions of Gmail. To my left, that is the default Gmail, and to my right is the dark mode with the NightEye app installed and activated. So definitely you will notice that the dark mode is a lot easier on the eyes. This will definitely be more comfortable to your eyes with the dark mode compared with the default version or the default bright version of Gmail. So this is just for one website. So imagine if in one whole day you visit hundreds of websites or even 50s or 60 websites, how strenuous it would be to your eyes if you're just going to stare on the bare or the default version of the websites and not the dark mode. So $14 or $9 per year, $40 for lifetime access. I believe that this is going to be one of the best investments that you can make that will not just benefit your health or your eyes, but it will also help with your productivity because you can stay for longer periods, and at the same time, it will not cause as much strain to your eyes compared to the non-dark mode version of the websites that you're using. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please don't forget you can always leave those in the comments and I'll try my best to answer them. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing and supporting our channel with those shares and likes. My name is Florante. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, live the dream life without leaving the home.